Sahih Al-Bukhari 3571, narrated Imran bin Hussein radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, that they were with the Prophet sallallaho wasallam on a journey. They travelled the whole night, and when dawn approached, they took a rest and sleep overwhelmed them till the sun rose high in the sky. The first to get up was Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam used not to be awakened from his sleep, but he would wake up by himself. Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu woke up, and then Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu sat by the side of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam head and started saying, Allahu Akbar, raising his voice till the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam woke up, and after traveling for a while he dismounted and led us in the morning prayer. A man amongst the people failed to join us in the prayer. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had finished the prayer, he asked the man, "O so and so, what prevented you from offering the prayer with us?" He replied, "I am Janub." Allah's apostle ordered him to perform tayammum with clean earth. The man then offered the prayer. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered me and a few others to go ahead of him. We had become very thirsty while we were on our way looking for water. We came across a lady riding an animal, hanging her legs between two water skins. We asked her, "Where can we get water?" She replied, "Oh, there is no water." We asked, "How far is your house from the water?" She replied, "A distance of a day and a night travel." We said, "Come on to Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam." She asked, "What is Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam?" So we brought her to Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam against her will, and she told him what she had told us before and added that she was the mother of orphans. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered that her two water skins be brought, and he rubbed the mouths of the water skins. As we were thirsty, we drank till we quenched our thirst, and we were 40 men. We also filled all our water skins and other utensils with water, but we did not water the camels. The water skin was so full that it was almost about to burst. The Prophet ﷺ then said, "Bring what stuff you have." So some dates and pieces of bread were collected for the lady, and when she went to her people, she said, "I have met either the greatest magician or a prophet as the people claim." So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guided the people of that village through that lady. She embraced Islam, and they all embraced Islam. Like and subscribe my channel for more of these videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.